Hi guys, it's Glenn here, and in this video I will be sharing with you an unboxing of the camera that I bought in Shopee, which is the Rapoo C500. I bought this for 2,700, but the original price of this is almost 3,200, but we were able to get a discount since we bought it during sale. So ngayon ay unbox natin, and I will be showing you an example kung how or paano ito kumuha ng picture or ano yung quality ng camera. It says 4K siya, so we will try kung 4K nga talaga, so that you will know before you buy. Actually, I was planning to buy the Logitech na tag 3,000 plus, but I would like to try this Rapoo since lesser siya, and sabi nga is 4K to. So we will try this and we will make an example para malaman nyo rin kung gaano nga kakatotoo yung 4K niya and if sulit ba siya for the price. So bubuksan ko muna since nakapack pa siya. Nakadikita. So this is it. This is the Rapoo C500 HD computer camera. It's 4K sabi nila, but titignan natin kung if it is really 4K. And here it comes, may manual siya. So sa manual niya is naka-Korean character siya. No, it's Korean and Chinese combination. So ayan, nabuksan ko na at may punit dito. Hopefully tinesting lang nila at hindi ito sira. So ayan na siya. This is the camera. Medyo mabigat siya, siguro dahil dito sa clip. Ayan. And ito yung cable niya. Naka type C siya. And let's see the manual. The problem with this manual is, I don't know if it is a manual or a warranty card. Di mo siya maiintindihan kasi it's Chinese or Chinese and Korean combination yung ano niya, box. So ayan lang yung box niya. And we will try the camera. We'll be showing you. I-install muna natin siya dito. And then this cable. I hope walang problema. So yung cable niya is nasa isang dipa, so I think 2 meters. Kasi 1 meters like that. 2 meters siya. So paano ba natin ito siya ikabit? Ganito lang siya guys. Ikabit ko lang yung type C. And lalagay na natin siya dito. And we will plug it in our computer. So itatry ko munang install yung camera in my computer. And I will be using the computer na mamaya to show you kung anong kuha ng camera. So we will post this video muna para hindi siya masyadong mag-record na matagal. So ayun, na-install na natin yung ating camera. At this is the shoot from our Rapoo. So papakita ko rin sa inyo. Ayan. So I'm recording now from the Rapoo Webcam C500. And ito yung quality na naibibigay niya. I'm recording this in ano ba to, custom, actually default lang, in a default mode. So ito yung quality na naibigay niya. Kung nakikita niyo naman, medyo maliwanag yung lights niya, and napakaganda ng dating niya. So for me, sulit siya for the price, kasi kung titignan natin sa quality ng camera compared sa other camera, is solid na siya compared mo sa other branded camera. And good thing with this is already a 4K camera, so okay siya pang shoot. I don't know kung ano yung quality na may bibigay niya during umaga, so itatry ko muna na walang ilaw, wala itong mga lead lights ko. So papatayin ko lang yung lead lights. So ayun, that's how it shoots. Wala na yung ring light ko sa harap. So far naman, and this is for my phone. Kung titignan natin, medyo darker na siya sa phone. Dito medyo darker na rin siya, pero yung quality niya kita pa rin kahit medyo madilim siya, lalong lalo na kung nakabukas yung aking ring light. Yan, ito kung white light lang, ito kung warm. So ayan, that's how it shoots for the price of 2,700. With this camera ay goods na para sa akin. So next thing what I will do is papalitin na natin to. And I will be showing you the configuration of the Rapoo. So yung settings naman ng camera ay ito lang. Ayan lang siya. Actually, in-add ko lang yan siya. Parang ganito lang. Add video capture. Once you press that, lumalabas siya. Video capture, and add existing, which is the device 2, which is the Rapoo. This video capture card is my capture card, and this one is the webcam. So the configuration naman sa webcam is ayan, deactivate, device default lang siya. Titignan natin ngayon kung 4K nga ba talaga siya. So Rapoo camera, custom resolution. So ayun, ang pinakamataas na kaya ng resolution ng ating camera is 4K nga, is 3840 by 2160. Ita-try natin to ngayon. Okay. So ayan yung 4K. Kung titignan mo, napakalawak ng angle na nakukuha niya. Nakukuha niya pa dito and dito na part. And kung titignan mo yung quality ng camera, it's really good. Makukuha mo talaga yung galaw-galaw ng kamay ko. So far, napakaganda niya. And now is we will add the audio. Gagamitin natin ngayon yung audio ng camera. Add audio input. Capture device, microphone, Rapoo camera. This one. So now we are recording from our webcam camera. So this will be an example ng Rapoo camera. At titignan natin kung malinaw nga ba yung mga pinagsasabi ko or mga salita ko, and pwede ba siyang gamitin without microphone. So far naman kayo yung magja-judge kung ano nga ba yung quality ng sounds na naproproduce ni Rapoo, since I'm recording using the Rapoo right now. So you can comment below kung anong quality, kung okay na ba sa inyo yung quality ng sound, and of course the quality of the video na nabibigay niya. And now is that's it, I think. And that's all for today, and I hope that you get some ideas about this webcam Once again, yung price na nabili ko siya is 2,700 plus. The original price of this is 2,900. Mayroon ding sa ibang shop is nasa 3,200. But I bought it during sale. So nakatipid ako. That's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.